Morning, guys. This is a finished work of an excellent hair color and haircut for this beautiful lady. Right now almost 10, so which means I started at 8. Of course, she was a few minutes late. I started at 8, she was a few minutes late. Rhymes.
5.
Huh?
5
You said 5?
minutes late.
5 minutes late is 5 minutes. You can save a life of a human in 5 minutes and some. Anyhow, guys, look at it. She's listening what I'm saying, I guess. But anyways, I guess better late than never, right? So beautiful color. Her hair feels incredible. All those coloring and processing we've done, but this product is a genius right here. Can't buy it online. It's only at the salon. It's a professional use only. But take it just a little bit more. I actually put it on the hair before I use my the highlights and lowlights colors, and then I put some within the hair while her hair process, which is, this is my philosophy. This is a spa, hair spa right here. I've been using this since I opened my hair salon. It's a $2,500 machine. I paid back in 1999. I bought 2 of them. So the philosophy behind this hair salon is do the right thing. Always come back to you. So, and I'm very airy about what I do. So I always give back and do the right thing. And the product I use are ammonia free. Permanent color is ammonia free. I've used Fido since I opened my hair salon. First time Fido brought the color line to America from France, I was one of the very first salons to try those colors. So I'm very in about what I do, and I care about my clients. And you know, many of you may not know, but a lot of colors are carcinogenic. What does that mean? You know, if you apply a color that sits on the scalp 30 minutes, you know, you're bound to get cancer sooner or later. So you do your homework. I'm just the messenger relaying the message. Remember, I'm a cosmetologist, not only hair cutter, cosmetologist. I study cosmo, hair, nails, skin, and went farther into it. Studied a lot of anatomy, physiology, which I love. So that's another reason I'm a vegan, because I believe in natural diet, healthy diet, and what you put in your mouth and shows in your body eventually makes you healthy or makes you sick. So eat to be healthy, not to eat to eventually get sick. Eat your food as a medicine. Don't eat medicine as food. Once you do, it comes back to you. It's a karma. What do you think, my friend? If you don't look good, we don't look good. We are here. Mario said, Design is Johns Creek, Georgia. Miss Alice, shake your hair for Miss Alice. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful lady. Miss Alice is number 1. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. You don't have to invent the bus. Just get in the bus. It also said, if you don't look good, we don't look good. Since I'm one of his students, I can't use that. Check this out, guys. See, beautiful layers, softer. I'm gonna actually dust her tips, the neck. So I make sure give her a lot of beautiful layers, but invisible layers, so that it'll take her really faster. Minimize her blow drying time, because a lot of time, you know, we're on the go. The world is on the go. I don't know where we're going. I guess we're going somewhere. And I take in this is dry cutting scissor. It's designed by a Japanese shear maker. And I do actually retail the scissors in America. So, Mr. Honda Kitamura. You can't use Honda in Japan because of the Honda motors. So the scissors called Zion, like Zion National Park. So he believes in quality work. Originally, he's the craftsman and the scissor maker for Hikari shears. In fact, Hikari loved my cutting technique when I was in Japan. Then what was the scissor? He said, "Man, you're amazing." Well, some makes the hair and some cuts the hair. That's where I come in. Mario said, designers, get your appointment in, guys. Rest of the year I will be extremely busy, and I have been busy, and I'm blessed beyond. But I'm a perfectionist, so my work continuously growing, you know. I don't believe in stopping at one point. If the river doesn't stop, neither do I. And I'm gonna be looking younger and younger. How you doing? Have a wonderful day. Love, peace, and hair. Come see us. Mario's Hair Designers. We will make you look like a queen, king, or superstar, like Miss Alice. Ciao. What do you think? What do you say, Alice? Ciao? No, other way.
Other way.
So the other way is a curse. If you do this, it's a curse. You know, it's something about the French and British war. That means things I don't want to say, but this means peace. Show the palm of your hand. That's where the love is. Ciao.